Stop searching on Google like it's still 2022. If you search for a product today, the most articles you will find are written by AI, not by real people. So today I will show you one simple trick to show you how to find a real human opinion on internet in 2026. Today the internet is full of what people call AI slop. They copy information from other websites and repeat the same thing over and over again. So when you search for something like best headphones under budget, you will see the hundreds of websites saying the same thing. But most of them never even use the product. So here is the number one trick. When you add best headphones under budget, simply add at the end before 2023. So what this does is amazing because it will show you the results before AI content explosion. So instead of AI written articles, you will see the older articles written by real people. So it's basically like a time machine for the internet. Older websites often have a more honest views because it will show you the content before AI explosion. The second trick is even better. Just type the word Reddit or forums in your search. For example, best headphones under budget. Next type Reddit or forum. Now you start seeing real people's discussions. Real people sharing real experiences. Someone might say that I've been using it for 5 years and it's been great. And someone might say it broke within 2 months. The internet is getting louder every day, and there is more content than ever, and not all of it is real. So, if you want the honest information, you need to search smarter. So, try these tricks for yourself and let me know in the comments if you see the difference. Sometimes the best answer on the internet comes from a random person. Hit the follow button, and I'll see you in the next one.